Why do many people worry about investing in automatic motorbike washing machine and how to overcome the fears? This is the very real fear that makes many people hesitate to start an automatic motorbike washing model, not because they don't have enough finance, not because they don't believe in technology, but because they worry if I open a shop, what if there is no customer? That is a completely real worry, not only of few people, but of many people who are hesitating between investing or not investing. Because spending a sum of money to do business, everyone wants to have a customer, have a revenue, and make a profit. But if the model is not effective and there are no returning customer, then everything can become a burden. This fear does not come from the machine, but from not being able to imagine, will the machine operate stably? Will customer trust it? And more importantly, how can an automatic motorbike wash model attract customers regularly every day, not just crowd when it first opens and then gradually disappear? Today, Go&Go want to go deeper into that story with you, not to convince you, but to give you a clearer, more realistic view about how many Go&Go customers have been afraid, hesitant, and then gradually overcome to build a sustainable business model from this automatic motorbike washing machine. Because when investing in the motorbike wash model, especially with automatic technology, it's not simply buying a machine and waiting for a customer to come. It is the whole problem of operation, of customer attraction strategy, and of how to create a different compared to surrounding motorbike washes. Go&Go has contacted many of you across the province. Some have been in the service industry, some are completely new to this field, and it's worth noting that the fears of no customer appear in almost everyone, regardless of whether they have experience or not. So Go&Go understand this very well. Why is there such a worry? Because you have never seen the machine in action. You have not imagined whether customer will trust the machine to wash their bike. You don't know where the shop should be located, how it will operate, whether it will need worker, whether it will need technical knowledge. All of these things slow down the decision-making process, and sometimes it is that hesitation that makes you miss a very clear opportunity right in front of you. But what if there was someone like you who was also worried like that and then decide to experience this, start doing this, and it's work operating stably? Then what? In fact, there have been many such cases. They were confused like you, but they tried to come to the base, see with their own eyes, touch the machine, observe the entire operation process, and from there, they began to have faith. Go&Go does not just sell machine. We directly guide customers step by step, from choosing the location to place the machine, designing the floor plan scientifically, to instructing the simplest way to operate the machine, suitable for beginner. The core point is customers do not just need a machine, but also need a business model with a clear direction, a specific development strategy, and different. Many people think that automatic motorbike washes are to completely replace human, but that is not the case. Machines only do the heavy, time-consuming work, so that people can focus on more sophisticated service, bringing higher profits, such as interior cleaning, motorbike care, polishing, or accompanying utility service. A motorbike wash with modern machine always create a sense of professionalism. Customers are easy to remember, easy to come back, and easy to recommend to others. That is something that traditional motorbike washes find difficult to create if they only rely on labor. Go&Go has witnessed many customers, after only a short time, completely change their perspective on running a motorbike wash. They are no longer dependent on workers, no longer burdened with waiting, management, and supervision. They switch to a management mindset and developing a model instead of just providing a simple service. And most importantly, they are no longer afraid of lack of customer, because they understand how to build a loyal customer base. No longer afraid of risk, because they know that there is always a team behind them to support them. No longer afraid of being passive, because there is a clear roadmap for development and expansion. It all starts with a very simple action, real-life experience. Instead of struggling with assumptions in your head, instead of letting fear dominate, you can absolutely take the first step. That is, Go to Go&Go workshop to see how the machine runs, how the operating process is, and ask all the necessary questions to get the most benefits built before deciding. Go&Go does not advise you to invest immediately, but Go&Go believes that a wise decision can only be made when you have enough information and practical experience. Give yourself a chance to learn more. Who knows, that might be the most important turning point on the journey to master this modern, effective and sustainable motorbike wash model. If you are interested, please import or contact Go&Go so that the team can support you immediately.